12 years. Namma Metro celebrated its 12th anniversary on October 20, 2023. A lot has happened in Namma Metro this month. In this video, let us talk about some of the important news and updates of Namma Metro in October 2023. The first news comes from the Purple Line. Prime Minister Narendra Modi formally inaugurated the two missing stretches of the Purple Line. These are the 2.1 km Vayapannahalli Krishnarajapura stretch and the 2.05 km Kengeri Challaghatta stretch. These stretches were thrown open to the public on 9th October without waiting for a formal inauguration, and you can know more about the line by watching my video on the opening of the Purple Line. The Prime Minister virtually dedicated these two stretches to the nation, from Sahibabad in Uttar Pradesh, where he inaugurated the priority section of the country's first Regional Rapid Transit System or RRTS. With the inauguration of these two stretches, it is expected that 7.5 lakh people will use Namma Metro daily. Namma Metro is now 73.81 kilometers long and has 66 metro stations, making it the second largest metro system in India after Delhi Metro, which is 350 kilometers long. End-to-end travel takes around 80 minutes and costs 60 rupees. After the opening of the line, traffic congestion on the metro corridor has decreased by 12 to 14% during peak hours, especially on the old Madras road. The next update relates to the opening of the Purple Line. The construction of the 119-meter long KR Puram footover bridge has come to a halt. This footover bridge aims to connect the KR Puram Metro Station and railway station. Its work has come to a halt. A BMRCL official said that as the KR Puram Metro Station will also serve the ORR Blue Line, there are certain issues with the full completion of the footover bridge. Currently, the footover bridge is halfway ready. Once completed, it will land at the concourse level of the KR Puram Metro Station in the unpaid area, but we will have to wait till the work is completed. The next news comes from Siltboard. The Siltboard Junction flyover, Madiwala Side, has been partially closed due to metro work. BMRCL's release stated that 2.50 meters on both up and down ramps of the carriageway Madiwala Side will be closed temporarily for 4 months starting 21st October for loops and ramp flyover staging work. This may worsen the traffic woes at Central Siltboard. The next update comes from the proposed Hosur Metro. 11 companies have submitted bids to prepare a detailed feasibility report or DFR for the Bommasandra Hosur Metro. The detailed feasibility report will include the line's alignment, the type of system, that is whether it will be a metro, metro light or metro neo, the estimated ridership, the location of stations, depot and the estimated construction costs. The Bommasandra Hosur line will be 20.5 kilometers long, of which 11.7 kilometers will be in Karnataka and the remaining 8.8 kilometers will be in Tamil Nadu. And to know more about the line, you can watch my video on the Hosur Metro. The following 11 companies have submitted bids to prepare the feasibility report. The bids are currently undergoing technical evaluation. When completed, the financial bids of the technically qualified bidders will be open to reveal who is the lowest bidder and most likely consultant. Do you think that this line will be useful for commuters? Share your thoughts in the comments below. The next news comes from the Green Line. The new footover bridge linking IKEA store and Nagasandra Metro Station was inaugurated on 18th October. Its construction commenced in April 2023 and was completed in 6 months. About 1/3 of visitors to IKEA commute by metro, and the footover bridge will ease the commute between the Nagasandra Metro Station and the IKEA store. The next update comes from the Pink Line. The tunnel boring machine, nicknamed Rudra, records its final breakthrough at Langford Town Metro Station. It was operated by Afcon's infrastructure. This was TBM Rudra's third and final drive, which it completed in 114 days. Rudra was originally commissioned in April 2021 from Dairy Circle South Ramp for a 613-meter tunneling drive between South Ramp and Dairy Circle Metro Station. It made a breakthrough at Dairy Circle in November 2021. It was then commissioned from Dairy Circle for a 746-meter tunneling drive between Dairy Circle and Nagasandra Metro Station. It made a breakthrough at Nagasandra in April 2023. It was then commissioned from Nagasandra Metro Station for its last and final 718-meter tunneling drive between Nagasandra and Langford Town Metro Stations. It recorded its final breakthrough on 26 October this month. With this, tunneling on Afcon's package Reach 1 is complete. This was Afcon's final of 8 tunnel breakthroughs planned for the Pink Line. With this development, TBM Rudra's job is over and tunneling works on 3 of 4 packages have been completed. 22 of 26 tunnel breakthroughs have been achieved. 8 of 8 on package 1 by Afcons, 4 on 4 of package 2 by L&T, 6 of 6 on package 3 by L&T, and 4 of 8 on package 4 by ITD Cementations. Overall tunneling progress stands at 18.45 kilometers out of 20.9 kilometers, and the tunneling is 88% complete. Now that we are done with some of the major updates, let us talk about when the other stretches of Phase 2 will open. Karnataka CM Siddaramaiah said that the 19-kilometer RV Road to Bommasandra Yellow Line and the 3-kilometer Nagasandra Madiwala Green Line extension will open by April 2024. He also said that the 21-kilometer Kalina Agrahara to Nagvara Pink Line will open by March 2025 and the 58-kilometer Silbor to Airport Blue Line will open by 2026. But why has the opening of these lines, particularly the Yellow Line and Green Line, been delayed? Let us analyze the problem in detail. The main problem that has delayed the opening of these lines is the shortage of trains. This is also affecting the frequency of the trains on the Purple Line. Back in December 2019, CRRC Nanjing Fusain Corporation Limited was awarded the contract to supply 216 coaches forming 36 6-coach trains for the Yellow Line and the expanding Purple and Green Lines. Of the 216 coaches, 126 coaches forming 21 6-coach trains will be deployed on the Purple and Green Lines. They will use the old distance to go signaling system that is used in the Purple and Green Lines. The remaining 90 coaches forming 15 6-coach trains will be deployed on the Yellow Line and will use the new communications-based train control signaling system or CBTC. They were expected to deliver these coaches to BMRCL within 173 weeks or 3.33 years. To support the Make in India initiative, BMRCL had included a 75% local production clause. However, CRRC failed to partner with the local manufacturer, causing the delay. Factors like COVID-19 pandemic and trade restrictions with China also caused the delay. Subsequently, CRRC partnered with Kolkata-based Titagarh Wagons to manufacture and supply the coaches. But what is the latest update regarding the arrival of the coaches? The first 2 trains will arrive from China within a month's time. Following this, the remaining 204 coaches forming 34 trains will be delivered by Titagarh Wagons. Titagarh plans to deliver 2 trains or 12 coaches per month to complete the order within the timeline of March 2025. But till March 2025, PMRCL will be facing a shortage of trains. With this, we've come to the end of the video. Hope you liked this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you very much.